The Murfreesboro Municipal Airport is located at 1930 Memorial Boulevard in North Murfreesboro. The airport is committed to safety and the improvement of its facilities to continue to better serve its commercial operators, the business community, local aircraft operators and owners, and people from all over the nation that fly into the community to visit friends and family. Making sure the airport meets all of its goals is Airport Manager Chad Gerke.
The Murfreesboro Municipal Airport, before it came here, was located on the campus of Middle Tennessee State University, and it was brought out here in the 1950s out on Lebanon Highway, way on the north end of Murfreesboro. And it has been here ever since, pretty much the same runway length and some of the same facilities are still here today that were built back here in the 50s. It has been predominantly a training facility for the university and their flight training program, and also for citizens of Murfreesboro who have wanted to take up aviation as a hobby. The Murfreesboro Municipal Airport is a general aviation airport that provides services such as flight training and aircraft rental, aircraft maintenance, radio and instrument panel repairs, and aircraft sales and charter services. And we also here at the Murfreesboro Airport are the home to MTSU and their aerospace program. All these are offered through companies that lease space from the city of Murfreesboro out here at the airport. The Murfreesboro Municipal Airport is one of only 3 or 4 airports in the state that are completely self-supportive, meaning that we don't use any of the local tax dollars. The airport generates its own funds through fuel sales and hangar rents, and those monies are used to support the airport. And whether it's capital improvements or whatever, the airport is paying its way by taking care of its debt service, using those funds to pay down its debt for any of the capital improvements that we've made. The airport is a place where people come from various cities around the country to do business here in Murfreesboro, and also for family gatherings and events that happen at MTSU and different facilities across the city. As far as the city of Murfreesboro and employees, there's only about 5 or 6 part-time employees and 1 full-time employee, the airport manager. Then the various other companies that are here at the airport, including the university, have various full-time and part-time staff also, from aircraft mechanics to flight instructors to office personnel to managers. As the airport manager, I have to take care of the facilities and make sure that the airport is up and operating in a safe and efficient manner each day. I take care of the customers that come and go each day along with the staff, and also making sure that we're compliant with all the state and federal requirements and city regulations. And we're always looking to the future and making sure that we're taking advantage of grants from the federal government and state government to make sure our facilities are up to par and planning for the future. The partnership that the City of Murfreesboro and the university has is a very strong one. And from the very beginning of the airport being on campus to bringing it out here today, both have developed together. The aerospace department has grown and developed to be one of the signature programs for the university. And here at the airport, being self-supportive, we rely on the university quite a bit in their activity and the rents and the fuel sales and things like that are generated through them. And it is because of their activity out here that we are able to receive quite a few grants and funds through the federal government and the state because of their very prominent program out here at the airport. So it's very much a strong partnership. Together, we're able to work off of each other to improve both of our agencies out here. Back in 2007, I believe, the airport received Airport Manager of the Year. I received that. And then we've also received Most Improved Airport of the Year and the Airport of the Year through the Tennessee Aeronautics Division. Through the years, we've also received a number of awards called the Front Door Award, which means that the airport is the front door to the community and to our state as far as economic development and the services that we provide the city. There's a number of events that occur out here throughout the year. One of them that's really special is the Young Eagles flight program, which is children get free flights from pilots ages 8 to 17. And it's designed to be their first flight in a small aircraft. get them excited about aviation, but also the pilots share a lot about the science and the math behind the aircraft. Another neat event that occurs out here with the university is the Teachers Aerospace Workshop, where 30 to 50 teachers across the state come together each year for several weeks. I believe it's a 3-week course on aviation, and they fly aircraft, and they also learn how to take the math and science of aviation and incorporate it in their classrooms to make those subjects exciting for the children. And that's pretty exciting. Other things that happen out here that I think are rather special are angel flights, where pilots volunteer their time in their aircraft and transport patients to doctors across the country in a network of aircraft and pilots to get them to the medical care that they need. We also have a network just for dogs, to get dogs to the owners that they're going to also. So there's a number of neat things behind the scenes out here at the airport that are always occurring to help people and help students as they grow in their education. At the airport, we do a lot of tours for children coming out here to the airport. We like to show them the aircraft. We get them into the 727. They can sit in the cockpit, and it's a great experience for the children to get up and close to the aircraft and see them and understand some of the parts of the aircraft. We have a lot of people that just come out here and grab a little lunch and sit out here and watch the aircraft come and go, and that's a neat experience. I saw a auto gyrocopter come in here that set records from coast to coast. I've seen a number of military aircraft, usually helicopters that have come in here, and some real old vintage aircraft that were being restored and flown across country for air shows and things like that. And those are pretty unique when you go back to the World War II or even pre-World War II type aircraft. If you ever have any questions about the airport, our number is 848-3254, or go to our website and get our email and check us out. We'll be glad to give you any information about the airport or invite you to come out and see and take a tour.